Yeah, so like what do you do in your morning?
All right. So usually I wake up, immediately go and take a shower, and then head down to the cafeteria. That meal's nice and pre-made for me. Don't have to worry about cooking or doing any of the dishes afterwards. So after I have my meal, I'll head back up to my room and grab all my stuff and head off to class. Get your mail from Brendan at the front desk.
The great part about living here is you can kind of wake up whenever's good for you. Doesn't really matter. You just wake up, you can pop down for breakfast. Kitchen staff are excellent.
If you're busy, you can grab a bagged lunch and then go to the gym or take a walk around Wascana.
Sometimes while I'm working on homework, I'll sit in my room and do it, but it can get a little samey, so you can work on your homework in the lounges, the nice public area, accessible by everyone on the floor.
You can toss in your laundry for free and then you can go up to the cafeteria for dinner.
You can also go unwind down in the cellar.
Watch movies with your friends, and at the end of the day, you can close your door and get some alone time.
We hope you'll consider living with us at the Student Village at Luther College. For more information, click the links in our description below.